Hello everyone, in this video I will be doing the unboxing and playing several games on this new MSI Vector GP77 with an i9-13900 processor, an RTX 4070, 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 2TB of storage. As you may know, these new MSI gaming laptops have been generating tons of discussion as they are using the latest NVIDIA graphics and i9 processors. I will show you how this gaming laptop behaves under several games in different video settings. Let's start with the I/O. On the left you will find a Kensington lock, a combo audio port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 2 port. On the back, a HDMI, a mini display port, a RJ45 connector and a power connector, and on the right, two USB 3.2. You will also have a lap camera on the front but without a shutter. And now let's go down the gaming. First off, we have Cyberpunk on maximum settings, giving us an average of 40 FPS. On medium settings I was able to get around 60 to 70 FPS. On the top right corner you can have a constant view of the frames per second as I am using the NVIDIA Performance Overlay.
Cover me, V! We're coming for you!
Next we have Doom Eternal. I was able to get an average of 150 frames per second. This level might seem easy, but it took me half an hour to complete. This is not as easy as it appears to be. And now we have Battlefield 2042 at full settings, getting an average of 80 FPS. This is presently one of my favorite games. control, Bravo sector. And now Counter-Strike Global Offensive on max settings, getting an average of 130 FPS. And last but not least, we have Apex Legends on full video settings, getting an average of 90 FPS.
Marking our surroundings.
Taking the shot.
I'm spotted, taking fire.
Calling the airstrike. Target over there.
The fight is not even. Multiple squads at I have fallen.
Hang tight. Gibraltar's coming for you. Giving my shields a recharge.
You know it, we got to watch each other's back.
Gotta grab our teammates' banner. Search and rescue. Taking the shot. Machine in here. I say we move this way. Making contact with the enemy.
I'm out of energy ammo.
I say we move this way. That's our brother's banner. We should grab it. Firing. Enemy shield drop. I'm getting shot. Don't shield out. Got a banner in hand. Frag out. Heads up, grenade.
I'm spotted, taking.
Throwing thermite grenade. Reloading. One down.
That's it for this video, I hope you enjoyed it. I will continue bringing up more curiosities about this gaming laptop with this very nice 2K screen, a metallic chassis made of magnesium aluminium, this beautiful RGB keyboard. I'll continue doing many performance tests with it, so stay tuned to receive our shorts and videos. Thanks for watching and until the next time.